Yesterday we discussed the manual configuration and customization of the JWM tray in Bionicpup64. But this applies to all of puppylinux distros. They all have a JWM as the window manager. But today what we're going to do is, yesterday we concentrated on jwmrc tray file with how you can go ahead and configure the clock, for example, and all the spacing in between the various groups of widgets. So you can go ahead and I tend to focus here where this tells me which virtual desktop I'm on, workspaces I'm on. I generally work with 6 different workspaces. This is also called a pager, and this is a task list. It tells me which applications are running, and in this particular in this instance there is a workspace number 5. So although the red color is whatever the application that's in focus, I know there's 2 other I can go ahead and easily bring up the other. So this is the rocks filer, so that then it changes the color, and there's even the terminal that's hiding, so we'll go ahead and discontinue that. But today we're going to concentrate on jwm-theme file, which is within the root and .jwm folder. So this, when you look at this file, it main groups of small scripts that controls the appearance has to do with task list. So task list is this here, but it has fonts and so on, but it's not showing because I've limited each task list to the icon size of 25, so you don't see the fonts and so on that's listed here. So that's so for example, I have active background is red color, which is, so it tells me which application is in focus. So right now this is a rocks filer that's in focus, and now we're going to go back to the genie. So so that's and then ones that are not in focus has this particular color, and then you can go ahead and just go ahead and whatever the color code that you can go ahead and scroll across with a mouse cursor and then click on the color picker, and then it tells you right away the color of this background. So this background here refers to this color. So if you want to change the background of this color, that's not, so all you need to do is just pick for example, pick black color here and just get a color picker, and then it's recorded here, and we'll just OK, and it's changed the color. So then I can't refresh the JWM, but because it'll stop the recording. But that's how you can change the color of the active and inactive background. So let me just put it back. So the tray style has to do with this whole appearance of this whole tray. So tray style, I have it 12, Ubuntu 12. You have Ubuntu font, and font size is 12. So this controls the size and color of the menu and color of the clock. So this is white, and this is white, and then this 2 colors has to do with the color of here, where it's a gradient of a red color that evolves into the black. So that's how you go ahead and get this three-dimensional type of look. And this is the particular color combination that I chose. So again, if you want to change the color, all you do is just go ahead and drag it all the way, and then go ahead and go to the color picker, and then it tells you present color, which is black, and then you can go ahead and change to whatever color you like. You pick, and then OK, and this changes the color. Okay, it just happened to have a backward, but this is, so let me just do it again. So we'll just go ahead and go all the way across and go up to the color picker, and then we can go ahead and pick this color, for example, and then OK. So this color has changed, and all you do just save, and then open the terminal and just enter JWM space dash restart, and you just refresh the bar. So whatever the changes you make, it'll just go ahead and reflect it right away. So the other option, of course, is just to reboot. So let me just put this back to where it was originally. So that's how you change the color of this whole tray. Pager style has to do with this here. This is the pager, so the pager style outline is white, so that gives you the grid of white color, and then foreground and background, and then active is this here, is the red foreground. So again, this is the red that gives you a red color. So if I just go to workspace 2, it just is black because the background, active background is 0000, which is pure black. So depending on what color that you prefer, you can go ahead and play around with the color picker and Genie, and then placement of these correct code in the correct places, and you'll have a very nice looking tray. So this completes the part 2 of JWM-theme that controls the appearance of JWM tray. I hope you find this helpful.